We are back, still in the shop in Irun. We made a short lunch break, but now we're going to talk about the second product addition into the torque tool family, which is the angle meter. It's a smaller product than the first one, the torque and angle adapter, and it only measures the angle of our tightening operation. As you can see, it comes in the same kind of case as for the torque and angle adapter. Also with foam inlay to protect the product, with a hook on the back and so on. Product management really did a great job developing these packages. Inside we find the angle meter. The angle meter is using the same kind of concept as the torque and angle adapter. It's a socket, a ratchet and the angle meter. So if we want to tighten something now and we want to measure the angle, we simply take the socket, put it on the fastener, take the ratchet, and as you can see, the angle meter has a magnet on the back, so we can just attach it like that. Now we turn it on by clicking the C button. It will get itself into position to measure the angle. And let's say we want to tighten it with 31 degrees angle. So we use the arrow buttons and we move up to 31. We press the start button. And now we tighten. Like that, we reached 31 degrees angle, and we can store that by clicking the M button. We have now recorded the value and can go back and check. It's becoming more and more common, primarily in automotive, but in many ways of MRO operations, that you first have to tighten a fastener with a certain amount of newton meters or torque, and later also apply an angle tightening to that. So we're now going to show how the angle meter works together with a torque wrench. So we have a Bahco torque wrench here. It is set for 30 newton meters. We put on the socket and we will tighten. Now we will have to wait for the click that comes out of these wrenches. Then we know we have reached our 30 newton meters. There we have the click. So we take the torque wrench off. We take the ratchet. We put it into fastening mode. And the angle adapter. Now we turn it on. And we want to tighten 10 degrees angle, or 8 degrees angle actually, which we have it set for. We push the start button and we tighten. As you can see, it's very easy to follow the LED indicators, the sound and the last red LED indicator to see that we have reached the desired level of angle. At last we press the M button and we have now recorded or stored the tightening we just did. As you can see, the angle meter is really simple to use. It's easy to understand, it's easy to maneuver. It's also a great product for end users that might already have a torque wrench but simply want to add the feature of also measuring their tightening in angle degrees. The angle meter, together with the torque and angle adapter, they both come in these nice cases, they make a very good addition to the current torque tool family we have under the Bahco brand today. And I'm sure that you guys will help make them all very successful.